Yeah, what's up? Trigger Trench here, Naughty by Nature representing. Hey Taiwan, you know what we doing. We doing it up right here tonight at the Luxy. Don't go nowhere. Here, Taipei, Taiwan. This is how we get down. Nip, 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 naughty.
Alright, I'm sat on the sofa with Tretch from Naughty by Nature. How's it going?
Hey, what's up?
Welcome to Taiwan.
Thanks for having us.
We want to thank y'all for bringing Naughty by Nature to your beautiful country, huh? We are here to spread the gospel of hip-hop music, huh?
You came down to Luxy last night, didn't you? What do you think of the club?
Oh, it's off the hook. We had a good time. It was reggae night, so we was out here vibing. The DJ that was here last night was off the hook. She had mixes that you ain't never heard before, so we had a ball.
Somebody say OPP! Did you know me? Say OPP! Did you know me? Trigger Trench, we doing it real big. Taipei, Taiwan. Naughty by Nature's in the building. Hip-hop's crisis. OPP, how can I swing it? Swing it and break my payment. Swing it at the law, trumpet sound singing it. Oh, follow the beat when people scratch it. The last people, that's not that should be hard. Like I want another way to fall, I gotta get it. It's wild, you know what I'm saying? This again. Digging it on the digging out the other party here. And the people got the talk, they split the bus. Yeah, never had a girl in a rock like hello. They got me without the
Tracks like Hip Hip Hop Hooray and OPP, they still sound as fresh as they did when they first came out. Why do you think they sound so good?
I mean, I think it's a blessing once, and we know how to make records that, you know, we kind of came out around the early 90s where it was like a whole different sound of hip-hop, and it wasn't like as old as different styles were and everything else. It was like a whole fresh and new. So now when you hear it even now, it's like if it came out today, it could still be out there rocking the airwaves and tearing it down, you know. So it's kind of like it's just timeless music we make.
That's good. Do you have any advice for any upcoming MCs or producers?
Just know it's a grind. Work hard, get out there, get a buzz behind your name, get a name on the street, do as much as you can as far as getting your name out there, whether it's promoting, partying, performing, just reaching the people any ways you can over the internet, anything you got to do.
We want to hear some Taiwanese rappers on this microphone. Give it a jingle and 掌声好不好? This is history. Yeah. Please start with what you're looking at. My man, what was it? You come to G and Naughty by Nature. Trying to be wrong. What they're gonna come to the face of God and Jimmy Ho, they're gonna want you. Jimmy Ho, what's your issue to be there? What you jump style? Please start with the email. People walk out even Jimmy be like out there. And you will tumble and Jimmy get a walk. Yeah. 你上介意上敢有一阵人，会像我安尼谈，无一个要去拗，变甲双手空空，落地啊空空，莫搁安尼空空，我唔知，这是我上爱的 Yeah， this is hip hop。We lost the beat, man. We don't have no instrumentals up there. One more MC, one more MC. It's like that. Naughty by Nature, under your neck, they call out. Yeah. Be quiet. 有钱，今晚多要把杯无碎。我脱缰野马，拉着教育第一把，只也按了这个活的质量。We straight. We got one more. So we want to do Chinese hip hop. Yeah. Let me tell you something, man. No matter where we go, right? We could be in China. We could be in Australia. We could be in Japan. We could be in Europe. There's always some black guy in there getting in the mix, man. Woo woo! Jia 过你老风格真的无聊，看不讲真做不柔受不了，受到钞票做不了，出了5秒 shout.